Hey, you're right. Going back in time again to 2010. Another Star Wars kit. This is 8093. Plo Koon's Jedi Starfighter. Who's Plo Koon? Plo Koon was a Jedi Master, one of the good guys. And this ship, he cruised around with R7D4 as a companion. Looks a bit garish, doesn't it? Blue and white. I thought, not sure about this. Looks like a bit of an ice cream, but it's only 174 pieces. But when you put it together, it's quite effective. A little bit of articulation on the wings. They just clip down like that. Maybe that's when it's coming to land, I don't know. And then clip back up when it's ready to go. Underneath, you've got your 3 feet that it lands on, and the obvious random brightly coloured Lego brick that's always in a lot of the kits. But there you go, Plo Koon's Jedi Starfighter, and for a change, some decent rocket boosters on the back. You know, these things are flying through space. You've got to have a few good boosters, haven't you, to get around. A little bit of play on the fin at the back. This little ball underneath here. You push that up, a bit of playability. It's like an ejector seat for Plo Koon. Your little droid just sits in the back. R7D4. And if I take the glass off the cockpit, you can see Plo Koon minifigure just in there. Looks like a bit of a baddie, doesn't it? But he's a good guy. And there he is. There's the man himself. Comes with a lightsaber. Tuck him back in. Don't get so many brown minifigures, do you? Nice one. There's a lot of old kits around. They're only small, but yeah, they're good to build something different. Quick Sunday afternoon build. Nice to see the different characters from Star Wars. I didn't have a clue who Plo Koon was, but I do now. And there he goes. See you for the next one. Bye. Alright, welcome to old Charlie's Lego Magic.